Okay, I think I'm live on TikTok. Welcome, everybody. D-Man, John Parker. I believe we're live on YouTube now. I think eventually I'm going to get live on, what's that shitty one that's going out? Oh, Instagram. I heard that that's still a nice place you can reach a few people at. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe. Only got about 30 minutes. Not going to stay on long. All right, I think we're there. Good evening, everybody. Again, not staying on long, going to be here for about a half hour. What's up, D-Nice, number one, Amy Lou? I still feel bad about yesterday, Amy. I hope you made up for it today. D-Nice, number one, Amy Lou, number one, Candle Envy, number one, David DVD, number one. How can you all be number one? Because everyone here is number one. Good evening to all of you. Kim, David, Amy, D-Nice, Shash, God bless you. Yes, Shash, I saw it, and I thought Bri was responding to it for you. Very proud of you. The most money Shash ever made was today. Couldn't be I couldn't be any more proud of him if I tried. Good evening, Ryan Saman. Good evening. Did you see? Yes, sir. We just talked about it. Yes, Shash. Very happy for you. Good evening, Tanny. Good evening, Sandro. Good evening, Marlon. Marlon B. Da, da, da. We're gonna keep you down. I'm going to probably go ahead and shut the door so that we don't get copyright violations for some kind of songs that are not being heard. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. All my life, man's been keeping me down. All right. So I sent out an email saying I'm going to teach you guys how to make the trade, same trades I did, but I do that every day. He's the only man. Kev is the G. Trust him. Thank you, Shash. I appreciate that, sir. Good evening, Jason Ortiz. You will make money. That is true. I do everything I can to help y'all make money. Good evening, Sergio. Good evening, D-Man. Okay, could everybody on TikTok head over to YouTube? And more importantly, could everybody on YouTube head over to TikTok, The Real Safety Trade? Boop, 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 boop. So everybody on YouTube, if you can head over to TikTok, I would appreciate that. Just trying to reach, a few more people so we keep that algorithm bullshit thing going, whatever that is. These are the trades I still have open. Doop, doop. I believe these are US 30s. Hold on a second. Yeah, these are US 30 sells, 05, lot size, times in, and all that bullshit right there. 16th was right after open on that one. All my life. These ones right here were NASs. Hold on. NAS. All of these were 0.05. Just because this is these are smaller accounts. I think the one only has a few $1,000s in it. Anyway, those are the trades. And these are why we took them. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, D-Man. What's up, Jamie? Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, Blessed Life, FX. Good evening, Tom Williams. All right. So what we're going to do is just go recap over a few things today. Why I took the trades I did, but that was pretty self-explanatory. Literally wrote that out for you all. This is 7 o'clock this morning, 7:30 this morning. I think it was close to 7:30. 1 hour, 4 hour, enter off the 4 hour yellow line to the 4 hour NAS blue line. So what I was being specific of right here, oopsie, was I wanted y'all to make these trades on the 4 hour if you didn't want to do all the buys and all the stuff in between there. So for instance, this right here is NAS 4 hour chart. You can clearly see if you'd have entered in off the yellow line right here, we would have been somewhere around there, down to somewhere around there, about 50, 60 pips. If you're a little more aggressive, you could have entered in off of the green line right here. and you would have been up about 125 pips. Yes, I know they're points, but when it's my channel and my system, I'm going to call them pips all day long. Now, if you look over here at US 30, it was even way better than that, either off the yellow or the red line it bounced off. Yellow line entry right here on US 30 would have netted you 418, 400 pips. Boom, 400 pips. I know a lot of people like playing the 15-second trades because they're not sure in their trading. So they like to go in, out real quick, which is fine. I love it. Probably prefer it to be more hyper with my trading, as I told one of my members in an email. But the reality is all the money, the big money is that when you get your runners, the runners happen on the higher time frames. The runners is when you open up 2 trades, close one down after whatever we were trading. But if it was US 30, about 10, 15 pips, and then let the other ones run. What that would look like for us then right here on a 0.05 trades would be right there. About $1,100 each. Doop, doop. Very nice trades. So why did we take these trades, and how, more importantly, how was I able to call these trades? Drew them out yesterday all the way up, told you where I was going to go to, drew them out and everything. How on earth was I able to do that? Well, that's because of the system I created. I can do it. You guys can do it, right? Anything I can do, you guys can do better. Well, or at least as good. Okay, so let's go back over to here. Doop, doop. All my life, keep me down. All right, so this is a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. I told you to enter off the 4 hour line just to be safe. But obviously, you guys could have entered off of the 1 hour line also, yellow, red line. Let's take a look of why this works and how this works and everything else. Okay. So if I can learn it and teach it to hundreds of people, you guys can learn it. Okay. Shash has learned it now. He's excited. I mean, just hundreds of people have learned it. So what's up, Jamie Rojo? Again, everybody on TikTok, head over to YouTube. But more importantly, everybody on YouTube, head over to TikTok, please. 29 of you on YouTube could head over to TikTok. You don't have to watch it. Just put the shit on and turn off your phone or something. Move it off to the side. What's up, Ron? What's up, Obello? Good evening, everybody. All right. So what am I rambling on about? Exactly how to trade. So we're in TradingView. 50 million people use it. You guys all wanted it. That's awesome. Top chart is 1 hour. Boop, boop, boop. This is all one chart. Bottom chart with just the blue line is 4 hour. I was able to write this out this morning. NAS, SPX, US 30, 1 minute biceps, that all happened. 1 hour, 4 hour, enter off the 4 hour yellow line to NAS 4 hour blue line. So what does that mean? How am I able to make that call? And evidently, because in this case, I showed you we made 60 pips to 400 pips, depending on what symbol you're trading. How are we able to make this call? Hey, Kev, another unbelievable day today. Nice, Stevie Haynes. Congratulations. Yay. So how on earth was I able to make these calls? Again, you're looking at calls that were made at 7:30 in the morning. Actually, you're looking at calls that were made Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, well, Friday morning. All of them came true the next day, the same day, over and over and over again all week for the last 700. So how is that possible? Week in, week out, day in, day out. Well, today was just as easy as any other day. I clearly saw that on our 4 hour, the blue line down here is flat. This is our sniper entry. And I can show you without sniper entry too, but I'm just showing you the generic way. The easier way. So watch. 4 hour chart down here. Blue line. This is called the sniper. It's $150 a month. Should be charging $1,500 a month. Should be charging $15,000 a month. But nonetheless, $150 a month. Nice and cheap. Everyone can afford it. That's what I'm aiming for. Okay. Good evening, driver. The chart whisperer. That's funny. No. Good evening, Sandro. So blue line down low. I saw it at 7 o'clock this morning, 7:30 this morning. And then what was up here on the 1 hour? Blue line was high. So I saw that on what? I saw that on US 30. I saw the same exact thing on NAS. I saw the exact same thing on SPX. That's all you need to know. Now you guys are all chart whisperers. Same thing here, the 1 hour, SPX, and there it is, and the US 30. So I saw the exact same thing on all three charts. We also have a scanner that showed me exactly what it was going to do here. Let me show you the scanner. Yes, our system is so accurate. We've developed scanners that run off of it. You can clearly see right here that this is US 30 NAS SPX. Here's your 4 hour this morning. It was 1 red, 2 green, and now we're back to the SPX being green. So all week I've been saying that these 4 hours are fill in, and all week I was wrong. I kept saying, oh, this NAS is going to fill into red, 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 red. All week I've been telling you that, and I was wrong. But the reality is, who gives a fuck? This is called the blue line scanner H&H, horseshoes and hand grenades. So every time I told you guys to play the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stops, the 4 hour NAS blue line, which I did every day this week, it made money for us every time. How do I know? Because this is the money that it made for us today, as I told you. So every time that I was telling you to play that, right, every time, did it come true? No, it never went to NAS. It never went to NAS. What does that mean? That means next week, by this time Friday, I'm 99% certain we'll see it close out. You'll see H4, all three, hour 4, all three. So, but in the meantime, we keep making 1100, 1100, 400, 400, 300, and just keep making it over and over and over again because it keeps printing money. So while I was wrong that it never finished this, who the fuck cares? We just keep printing money over and over like a bank truck. This is like backing up your car and taking money. It's that easy. Okay. So what we're going to see happen over next week, we're going to see a reloading. Let's go over here. Now we're back on our MetaTrader 4 charts right here. All right. And what we're going to do right here is you're going to see a reloading. You're going to see the 1 hour hook back up while the blue line comes down. Let me draw it out for you with colors. So some of you are really whatever. So let's say the little blue line right here. This thing's going to come down like this, flat line on the 1 hour. Then what you're going to see is the violet line. This one right here, pull up against it like this. Then it's going to hook and come down. You'll see price also come back up here, somewhere around there, hook and come back down. You'll see it all play out live. I'm drawing it ahead of time for you so you can see it. Not only will this happen on US 30, this exact same scenario will happen on NAS. Exactly. It'll arch up and then come back down again. Now, if I'm wrong and this doesn't occur and we blah, 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 it doesn't matter. We'll just play the buys or whatever is happening at that time. I'm just trying to give you a heads up. Sometime throughout the week, next week, we should see a much closer position on the 4 hour chart, blue line for NAS. You should see price action either come down to the blue line, touch the 4 hour blue line, get super close to the 4 hour blue line, or whatever. It's going to do it. My personal opinion for NAS, if you want me to draw out how it's going to look to you guys, and go like this, like this, like this, and then down there to there. It's going to cross our blue line and probably go below it, to be honest with you. You can see clearly the sell stop is forming. This is going to hook a little like this and come back down like that on a 4 hour scale. Meaning maybe Monday night, I've been thinking Tuesday or Wednesday, though, is probably going to be where we hit it. And again, just trying to give you guys a heads up. Does it matter to us? No, because we play what market gives us. We look as it happens. I'm just trying to give you guys a little heads up, looking out a distance of what's going to be occurring for the next few days. And that's what you're looking at. Blessed life. This so amazing. This week was awesome. Wasn't it awesome? Buy stop 30 minute on SPX. What? I don't believe I said that, but there you go. You're welcome, Candle Envy. A 30-minute buy stop on SPX. Let's take a 30-minute and take a look. Doesn't sound right, but you never know. I see nothing to support that claim. It's not a 30-minute. Let me see, 1 hour. Negative, still dropping. 4 hour. Really negative. No. No, I don't see any 30-minute at all buy stop for you. If you want me to look a little less. It's a 15-minute, 5 minutes. It's going to be a 5-minute, 15-minute sell. It is. Let me see if the 1 minute is doing anything for us. 1 minute buy. So there's a 1 minute buy right here. Yeah, it's going to take time to develop any kind of 30-minute, though. I don't see that occurring. No. It's going to be a 15-minute, 30-minute sell, actually, is what it's looking up to me. It's going to arch up to here, come right up to here, hook, and come back down again. It's going to do a fill in the gap, which none of you really know about, but fill in the gap, sell stop. You're going to see this come up again. The bars right here on the real direction is going to hook up, come up. You're going to see this little thing hook, come back down again like that. That's what you'll be looking at on that one. Does anybody want me to look at any symbols in particular? The gold played out really nice this week. Gold was beautiful. Gold always is. Okay, just disregard everything. Say, that's silly, driver. Good evening, Lock. Good evening, Sandro. All right. So the gold played out. Let's take a look at gold. We can go back and forth between TradingView and MetaTrader 4. I remember people were complaining, oh, MetaTrader 4, this, now we're in TradingView. Well, I like MetaTrader 4. You can't please anybody in this business. I swear it's the funniest fucking thing on earth. All right, so this is 1 minute. What are we doing here? 1 minute, 5 minute gold. So it played out nicely this week. Let's take a look at a little higher time frame right here. Let's take a look right here. Gorgeous. Let me see the weekly, 929. When was the weeklies first? When was Monday, 925? Let's go back to a 4-hour. So from here. So let's do a daily. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, it played out extremely nicely. Look, this is a daily sell stop, double top. You can clearly see the pink boop down to the boop down to the daily flat blue line. I mean, that was just gorgeous. You can see the arch up of the pink, which is the equivalent of the 1 hour, right? Which would be this over here. We don't even have enough memory to show you. But yeah, that was a beautiful play. Very easy play. Clearly see. When was this date right here? Yeah, this is this week, 925. So from here down, literally on the daily, you guys could have caught all that from 1918 down to, I'm sorry, 1918 to 1842. Oh, that's awesome. And that's what gold did all week, this down movement. That's all it did. See the blue, flat line, arch up, sell stop, boom, down it went. You want to go ahead and go to the 4-hour. You can clearly see on this one. Let me zoom that in a little bit. This is the two humps right here. Their sell stop broken gap against a non-broken gap. Again, I don't really want to get into the Bach thing here. Broken against non-broken, but it's a fantastic move. If you only played 4-hour dailies, wow. Or you do the 15-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hours, holy shit, it would be amazing for you. Good evening, Jacob. How do you like your little sign right there? Isn't it beautiful? Good evening, Kimberly Harrington. Kim, how much did you make today? Tell everybody. Sandra was just talking about gold. I just brought it up, if you don't mind. Kim made a little bit of money today. A little bit of money today. A little bit of money today. Over 6K. So Kimberly Harrington, been with us quite a while. I don't know if Kim's coming up on a year or not, but Kim made $6,000 today. And I dare any one of you to call her a liar or a scammer, or I hope this isn't scamming. We got an email. So I forgave the guy because he's new and doesn't know any better. But no, all our results are 100% real by 100% real people. And she did it in gold. Kim, I was just talking about how easy it was to read the gold daily. Flat, pink up, sell stop on the 4-hour, boop, boop. This was the entire week. Gold went down the entire week. That's all it did. This is gold. This is gold the entire week. That's what it did. From here, 925. Yep, on down. Zoop, down to there. Sheesh. Good evening, Cleety Junkie. Amazing, Kim. Yep. Nice, Kim. Larry Cooper. Congrats, Kim. Yep. So everybody on TikTok, yes, I make money. But more importantly than that is I teach everybody out there to make money. And I do my damnedest to help you. I do everything I can. Bri does everything we can to help you guys make money. I've been doing this live daily for over a year on YouTube, documented with over 700 YouTube videos. Every day I'm here trying to help you make money. Every day I'm here trying to give out, I give out free signal call outs for you every day, Monday through Friday. Most days, twice a day. Can you imagine what Kim would have made on that fucking fall from the beginning of the week? Wow, that would have been $60,000 for her, but I'm sure she's thrilled with 6. Good evening, Larry Cooper. So everybody on TikTok, please go to YouTube, and everybody on YouTube, please go to TikTok. I would appreciate it. Need to get those stupid algorithm things working. So if anybody does not believe Kim Harrington, does not believe Tommy, does not believe Goroff, does not believe, my God, Billy and Phil and Jay Cochran, and you want me to keep going on and on? Yeah, no, I don't know these people. They're all fucking strangers. I don't know Kim from a hell in the hole around. Kent, Willie, Adrian, they all make money every day. Everybody. Stefan, Heather's, that's not Steve's wife. Steve, another Steve actually, and his wife, they also make money. I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys. There's hundreds and hundreds of people in the program and hundreds of people making money that are taught. So if they can learn it, and trust me, somebody like Phil has no clue, never traded for a day in his life, yet he makes money. Kimberly, she worked very hard to learn how to make money trading. It wasn't easy for her. Other people like Tommy, it's super easy for Tommy. He picked up on it super quick. Maria Toler took 6 months. So it all depends on the person, right? I wish Kim was my neighbor. Thank you, Kev and Bri, for all your time. Definitely appreciate it, sir. I'm glad, Jacob. And I saw you were making a little money too, right, Jacob? No, driver, don't always look at the daily. You look at whatever's forming. You take whatever's forming. And as I was showing you guys through the Nadex options, the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour charts, they're just like golden. Look at this. Would be today. This is 30-minute gold. This is 1-hour gold. This is what you look at. Let me be specific what you look at. I don't understand these questions. No, it's just what shows. So all we do, driver, is this. Nice, Jacob. I'm very glad for you. Here. I wish Kim was my sister, but that'd be kind of odd having two of them. I know, Kim, that'd be funny. What you do is always the same thing, according to the sniper rules, is the blue line on the higher time frame flat. 1-hour gold flat today. Now, number 2, zip, is the blue line arched up on gold? Yes, it is. Number 3, this is easy. I remember Kim calling this out today. Kim, am I incorrect in you saying this was the trade today? She called this live herself. 3, is the pink line arched up? Yep. 4, is there a sell stop right here? I remember swinging over this because she said it, and I said, hey, Kim's calling out gold. I better listen to her. Sell stop. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop, and Kim made $6,000. That's it. Is that not correct, Kim? I believe that was the trade she took. And everyone here can just read that exact same charts. Yes, 30-minute. There you go. And again, Kim is a very dedicated. She kind of almost quit a couple times, stuck with it, and figured it out. And all I can tell you is if Kim can figure it out, anyone can figure it out. If Phil can figure it out, anyone can figure it out. Any one of you that's a beginner can figure this out. Just print this take a picture, screenshot of this picture right here, of this page. Only play this that you see. If you're only going to play 30-minute 1 hours, this is perfect. Or I'd even allow you to go to 15-minute 1 hours. But either way, there's a 30-minute 1 hour. This is the only style. This exact pattern Happened on US 30 this week, NAS this week, SPX this week, guaranteed oil multiple times this week. This exactly. So print it and only play the charts when you see it look like this. How much easier can you make it? Oh, is it low on number one? Oh, is the 30-minute up on the blue? Oh, is the pink up? And is there a sell stop? Yep. Is price above it? Put your sell stop in. If you only play this exact setup, you're not going to lose. All right, 99% surety. I have to give 1% to God, let him do what he wants to do. But this is a good as safety trade, and it looks the exact same thing on TradingView. I'll go over there right now and show you. But just print this picture and look for a sell stop. The same exact thing happens for a buy stop, just inverse. It's a reverse relationship, inverse. That's it. I'm making 50 to 100 times every time I'm able to get on Sniper Systems. I know, Jacob, congratulations. Very true. There you go. So does everybody understand that if they print this picture, they can make this trade over and over again? It will repeat itself. And by the way, it doesn't matter whether this is 30-minute, 1 hour. If the same exact position happens on 5-minute, 15-minute, it works. 1 minute up here, 5-minute down here, it works. 1 hour up here, 4 hour down here, it works. Daily up here, weekly down here, it works. This exact same setup works. Does everybody understand that? Yes or no? I need at least a couple yeses on TikTok, please, and a couple yeses on YouTube. Or no's. I mean, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Yes, says Driver. So then, Driver, when you ask me questions about, oh, so we look for the daily, no, we don't. Oh, we look for this and it's a 30. No, it isn't. If it doesn't look exactly like that, we don't trade it. Simple as that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, says Abiel. Sergio. What's up, Sergio? What's up, Abiel? Casu. Sergio 88. What's up, buddies? Ron says yes. Obella says yes. Kendall says yes. Okay, good. So print the damn picture. I know some of you people think like I'm kidding. Like when I write this out, oh, he's kidding around. A Bach break versus non-Bach break equals 1,000 confirmations. No, I'm not. You should take a picture of this and print out. You should rewrite this. You should write this and hang it off your chart. You should hang this picture off your whatever you're using, your monitor, your TV to trade with. This picture should be hanging here. By the way, it's going to arch up, come up to here, come up to there, and hook and come back down again. But that's side point. Yeah, that's what you should do. I'm not kidding. This is all it takes. This trade right here is all it takes for you guys to be successful over and over and over and over again. If it doesn't look like this, don't take the trade. That's it. Simple as that. You just can take a lower time frame trade, and a lot of time it will run into the higher time frame, which means money. Yep, sure is. I'm just sorry. No, that's fine, Driver. I'm just trying to help you. Hey, Kevin, is that what I think is on the right of your screen? Yep, it is. Horseshoes and hand grenades. Yep, hand grenades. Yep, Sandro is correct. Good evening, James. How you been doing, bro? You been kicking ass as usual, I'm assuming? How's your mom been doing, too? She's been trading. Yes, this is what you think it is. And also below that, what he's seeing over here is a scanner that I'll be giving to everybody in the next several months, probably by Christmas-ish. You'll have access to it if you're in one of the scanner rooms right now. You'll have access to this. I'll have a system for trading Bitcoin and Ethereum developed, I would say by Christmas, maybe a little later. I mean, we'll see. But yes, this is a Bitcoin Ethereum scanner that I'm developing. And I'm also developing one that should be exciting for you guys. EUR USD versus USD. Oh, 30 minutes up. I'm going to have to go here soon. But yes, I'm developing these scanners. Everybody in any scanner room, I don't care if it's a $50 scanner room, $200 scanner room, $150 sniper room, anybody in the scanner rooms, when I release these, will be getting these for free. These will just be an add-on to your TradingView. You'll get them through TradingView. And they'll be free. Oh, I can do it myself. Yeah, go ahead. I don't care. I gave you the TradingView where you can edit the different symbols that are in there. Tell me that's not freaking cool. I gave you in the sniper room the blue line scanner for our three things. You can change the symbols. You can figure this out yourselves. Or if you think I'm doing an okay job in figuring things out, I'll figure it out for you and I'll let you know how they work. And I'll give you the rules. And you'll be able to trade with really good confidence with ERUSD because they'll be opposite. And you'll be able to trade with real good confidence Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're going to notice that Bitcoin leads a lot of the time. But yeah, all of this all worked out for you with rules and when to enter and how to look for it. I would say, because it's, I just got done with a whole bunch of shit. I would say within a few months, I'll have this all worked out for you. And there'll be no extra charge for you guys. You'll get this for free. Matter of fact, I have a whole bunch of other things. Well, 2 other things coming down the line. In one of them, well, about 3 or 4 based off the one, but one of them is going to be so exceptional. It's going to make a grown man cry. I'm going to tell you that right now. Psychotically good. It's going to be psychotically good. These are all good. Everything I've done is pretty much psychotically good. But I'm telling you right now that when I get done with this one little master thing I'm working on, it is going to rule the world. I'll have it done. I don't know 2 or 3 months. I don't know 6 months. But when I get it done, every one of you that's been with me is going to be extremely blessed and happy. I'll tell you that. So I never stop trying to help you guys win. I will never stop helping you guys. Bri will never stop helping you guys win. We're going to keep going until I can make this even easier than just 2 different indicators. Right now, I've dumbed it as like an 8 indicator system down to 2. Blue line down, blue line high. Pretty soon, I'm going to have it dumbed it down to where all you have to do is use a scanner to see what you're about to trade. And then when I have that done, oh boy, I don't think anyone can mess that up. I haven't even traded any Forex prints. I've had the sniper. Nice. I knew you used to love EURUSD. I know, Kim, you did. Kimberly Harrington. Game over. Yeah, close enough. Take your time, Kevin. Thanks for everything, Tanny B. You're welcome. Yep, I'm going to keep on trying. Now, if you guys can help me out, and everybody on YouTube, head over to TikTok. And everybody on YouTube, head over to TikTok, please, so I can get my little viewers up there. I know there's not much of you over here on YouTube either. But if you guys can head over there, this is the the TikTok channel down here, the Real Safety Trade right there. It should be the only one live. Obviously, it's the only one live. So if you head over there. But yep, we upgraded the original OG system to the Super Sniper, which is what you guys think the OG is. So that's perfect. And then from there, I was able to create the Sniper, which is originally only meant for the 1-minute trades, 1-minute trades. And that's it. And then I was able to expand it to the 5-minute pretty quickly. And now I have it coded so it works on all time frames from 1 second, which I didn't even know it worked on, to the 1 month. So it works on all those. Now we're currently also one of our good guys, one of our members has figured out a little system for the 15-second. I think it could be tweaked a little bit. So I'm going to go over the next couple months on that 1, 2, 3 months. I'm going to make it so that we'll have 15-second rules. And we'll also have 15-second this on our scanner right here. This will go down to 30-second and then 15-second. Yep, that'll be there eventually. Not yet, but it will be there soon. So yep, that's all coming. I never stop improving the system, even though it's near perfect, or I think perfect. Even though it is what it is, I think it's still going to be improved all the time. And I keep trying to make it easier for you guys to use. Easier for you to make money. All right. Thanks for everything. Driver, Kevin's here. We don't. No, that's not true at all. I'm far from. I'm just trying to help you all make some money, and me make some money, and our families make some money. Us versus the big guys. That's all it is. It's us versus BlackRock, Vanguard. Some of you are just now learning the vastness of like BlackRock and how they own like 80% of SPX, how they own like 80% of all the world different corporations. It's psychotic. And we're not going to take it. We're going to make money. We are going to make some money. All right. Does anybody? It is perfect. You follow the rules. That is true, Kimberly. I want to make it easierly perfect, but we deserve nothing but the best. Jason Westbrook. Oh, I agree. TikTok. Any questions on TikTok? I have to go here soon. We're just getting ready. Bri's getting ready. TikTok. Any questions? Going once? I'm probably going to go off both of you at the same time. YouTube, TikTok. Any questions, concerns, or comments? Ask now. I'm about to go. TikTok, YouTube. Any questions, concerns, or comments? Twice. Anything at all? Ask away. Driver says it's nuts. It is. All right. Y'all have a great evening, and I will not be back on later today, Lord willing. I don't think so. I will not be on Saturday. I might be on Sunday evening for sure, Lord willing. If everything's good, I'll be on Monday morning. All right. Good night, everybody. God bless you. Enjoy your weekend, James Bond. Thank you, Kim. Enjoy your weekend too, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. God bless you. Everyone stay safe. Okay. And God bless you all. Have a great, great weekend, guys. God bless you. Have a lot of fun. Make great memories. All you got, memories. Make a whole bunch of good ones. All right, I'm off of TikTok, heading off of YouTube. God bless y'all on YouTube. Take care. Awesome. Well, that was nice and smooth and easy. That was fantastic.